Welcome back to Task Dev YouTube channel. In this video, we will be creating a 3D rotating image gallery using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is what we will be creating in this video. You can get the GitHub, the source code of this project in my GitHub. Link will be in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. And give me your suggestions on the next video. What should I do? I will consider on doing it. Okay? This will be great in this video. Let's get started. Okay guys, now first we are going to go to HTML and we are going to press shift exclamation tab to get the first set of keys here. Then we are going to link CSS and we are going to make a div, the class of img container, that means image container. Okay guys, now we are going to create inside that div, we are going to create a span element. Yeah, a span. Span is going to have a class of 1, 2, oh, and globe. And we're going to have images. Then copy the image 10 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 is there. That's what we need. Now this is for the HTML. Now let's get started with the CSS. Before that, let's link our JavaScript to HTML. Wait. So JS, but we need the updates. Okay. Now let's go to the CSS and let's do a margin. Actually, not a margin. Select it's a margin. I know it's not margin. It's the asterisk. Margin. It's going to be 0. And padding going to be 0. Box sizing is going to be 0 as well. So box sizing is going to be box. Now let's get started with our container. So we need img container dot img container and enter. Version of relative, width of 100%, a height of 100 viewport to make it responsible. when we need to take the picture we like, we click on the picture and you get the HTTPS link in the top of the URL search bar. Yeah. Then from that you have to copy the search and you have to paste it where you have something called background URL inside the parenthesis and inside the single quotes. Inside that you have to paste that link which you have copied from the unsplash URL. Okay, unsplash URL. Then you have to paste it here. Then what it does is it takes the image what we were looking for and it displays in our website. That's what it does. Okay. Next, let's give a background size to count and background size positioning to center and display to text. And justify content is going to be center and align items is going to be center too. Align items is going to be center. That's all for it, yeah. Now let's get started with the span. First we're going to have a position of absolute in our span. Next, the top of 50%, a left of 50%. So top of 50% means if our site is all the way at the top, it brings the center. 50%, yeah. 50% means center. But from left, it may be center, but it may be somewhere else. If we take it in the horizontal, vertical it might be centered, but horizontal it might be centered. Yeah. That's why we use top 50 becoming the vertically centered, but left 50 makes it upside horizontally centered. Yeah. Next, we are going to have transform, translate 50 minus 50% by minus 50% and font size of 24 pixels and color of white and font family of Arial and text align to center. That's all. Right? We have done the CSS. Now shall we see a little peek of our project that we have did so far with HTML and CSS only without doing the Java. Yeah, let's get started. Right click, show preview. Okay, it looks nice, but we can't see the functions yet, so it's not working. Let me enlarge the view. Yeah, I can't drag it. These buttons we made earlier has a hover effect, but we can't click. When it clicks, it's not navigating to the next page. So that's where JavaScript comes in. It makes the function of our website. It brings our website to life. That's what we're going to do right now after seeing this tutorial. Okay, let's get started. So app.js. Our app.js will only contain 3 lines of code. Not much for this project. It may look much, but it's not. It's only contain 3 lines of code. Imagine that. There you go. Let's do it. First, we are going to have a document dot div enter pended h1 pended p. That's all here. Now we are going to have another document dot queue select. Last code, yeah? Now container and add even listener. Click container. Then it's done. JavaScript is done, guys. HTML is done. This is done, and most probably our project is done. Now let's see the final outcome of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let's see the final outcome. Okay, we right click, show preview, and okay, you can see it looks the way we need, but whether it will function the way we need. Let's see. You can see next page. Okay, that's how it is, and it works. There's a lot of countries surrounding in the gallery. And yeah, it worked. And don't forget to get the source code of this project. Link will be in the description. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.